Hey there. Today we're making a creamy frozen salad that's loaded with berries and pineapple. It tastes just like homemade ice cream, but it's not. It's incredibly easy and always disappears fast. So let's get started. In a large bowl, we're going to add our sweetened condensed milk and our crushed pineapple. And we're going to mix it until it's nicely combined. Then we're going to add our fresh squeezed lemon juice and mix that as well, followed by 1 tub of Cool Whip. Give it a good mix, and now we're set for our berries. Now you can use strawberries or you can use raspberries, probably any type of berry, but I'm using raspberries. Now, in a metal cake pan, we are going to add the mixture and we're going to spread it out as smooth and even as possible. So when we slice it, our pieces come out uniform in size. Look at that. So now we're going to go ahead and cover the pan and we're going to go ahead and freeze it until it's solid. I usually wait about 6 hours. And then when I'm ready to serve it, you pull it out about 20 to 30 minutes before. This dessert is so delicious. You have nice chunks of berry and pineapple. It's light. It's refreshing. It's perfect for any type of gathering, whether it's outside or inside. Whatever type of berries you decide to choose, it's going to come out delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you tried this recipe and what type of berries you used, and I hope you enjoy. If you'd like to make this recipe, the ingredients will be down below in the description. And I just want to say thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.